Unit 4.
Arrive. Arrive is a verb. When you arrive somewhere, you reach the place you set out for. I arrive at school at 8 o'clock. Now you say the word. Arrive. Arrive. Clear. Clear is an adjective. When something is clear, it is not cloudy or dark. There was not one cloud in the clear sky. Now you say the word. Clear. Clear. Clear is an adjective. Clear can also mean that you can see through something easily. We could see the rocks at the bottom of the clear lake. Now you say the word. Clear. Enormous. Enormous is an adjective. Anything enormous is very big. The elephant is enormous. Now you say the word. Enormous. Enormous. Exactly. Exactly is an adverb. If something looks or happens exactly like something else, it looks or happens in the same way. My bike looks exactly like yours. Now you say the word. Exactly. Exactly. Float. Float is a verb. When things float, they stay on top of water or in the air. I let go of the balloon and watched it float above the tree. Now you say the word. Float. Float. Midnight. Midnight is a noun. Midnight comes at 12 o'clock at night. It is called midnight because it is in the middle of the night. I try to stay up until midnight, but I always fall asleep. Now you say the word. Midnight. Midnight. Rainbow. Rainbow is a noun. A rainbow is made of long stripes of color in the sky. If the sun shines after it rains, you often see a rainbow. I can see orange, red, purple, blue, and other colors in a rainbow. Now you say the word. Rainbow. Rainbow. Snowstorm. Snowstorm is a noun. A snowstorm happens when a lot of snow falls. Over a foot of snow fell during the snowstorm. Now you say the word. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. Weekend. Weekend is a noun. The weekend is made up of the 2 days of the week called Saturday and Sunday. I visit and eat lunch with my grandfather every weekend. Now you say the word. Weekend. Weekend. Whisper. Whisper is a verb. When you whisper, you speak in a very soft and quiet voice. We whisper so that no one else will hear what we say. Now you say the word. Whisper. Whisper.